Ever wondered if you could supercharge your trading analysis without shelling out a fortune for premium charting tools? What if I told you that some brokers actually give you free access to one of the most powerful platforms out there, TradingView? Yes, you heard that right, free TradingView. TradingView is a game changer for traders of all levels. Its intuitive interface, extensive charting tools, real-time data, and massive community features make it an indispensable asset. But those premium plans can add up, especially for new traders or those managing smaller accounts. That's where smart broker choices come in. While TradingView offers a free basic plan, its paid subscriptions unlock a whole new world of indicators, multi-chart layouts, extended historical data, and a truly ad-free experience. These features can significantly enhance your ability to identify trends, pinpoint entry and exit points, and ultimately make more informed trading decisions. So, the question isn't just about getting any TradingView access, but getting those premium features without the direct cost. The good news is, several brokers have partnered with TradingView to offer their clients complimentary access to these enhanced plans. This isn't just a random act of generosity, it's a win-win. Brokers attract more traders to their platforms, and you get access to top-tier analytical tools that would otherwise cost you a pretty penny. So, who are these generous brokers? Let's dive in. Brokers like Vantage Markets, Black Bull Markets, Fusion Markets, FXCM, and Easy Markets are some of the prominent names that offer free TradingView plans. The exact level of free access, e.g., Essential, Plus, or Premium, and the conditions to qualify often vary. For instance, Vantage Markets typically offers various TradingView plans, including Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium, often tied to a minimum deposit and a certain monthly trading volume. This means that if you're actively trading, you can essentially get your TradingView subscription reimbursed. Similarly, Black Bull Markets also has a tiered system where trading a specific number of lots per month can unlock Essential, Plus, or Premium subscriptions. Fusion Markets provides a similar incentive, rebating the cost of your TradingView subscription if you meet their trading volume requirements for FX majors or metals. FXCM offers free upgrades to TradingView plans based on deposit amounts, making it accessible for new and existing clients. And Easy Markets seamlessly integrates with TradingView, often providing free access when you connect your account, allowing you to leverage their competitive conditions directly within the platform. It's crucial to understand that free often comes with conditions. These conditions are usually related to your trading activity, such as minimum deposit amounts, monthly trading volume, or simply maintaining an active account with the broker. Always read the fine print of any promotion to ensure you understand the requirements for continuous free access. Connecting your broker account to TradingView is usually a straightforward process. You typically log into TradingView, navigate to the trading panel, select your broker, and then log in with your broker credentials. This integration allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView charts, creating a truly seamless trading experience. Leveraging these offers can save you a significant amount of money annually while providing you with professional-grade charting and analytical capabilities. It's a strategic move for any trader looking to maximize their resources and elevate their market analysis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.